Retreat not authorized. Gain air superiority at once. Trigger, what now?
Just more aircraft? Just talking nerves. Come on, it's time to find a real fighter pilot. What's happening? Status report, anyone?
We're already in range. Let's kill or be killed. Keep an eye on your radar. All it takes is one missile and your history. We doing this or not? Trigger's already kicked off the game.
We're going in. After Trigger.
All aircraft engaged. Weapons free.
Sir, you didn't tell us there was a change in the H hour. You mean our hotshot one in the last 5 minutes? Continue with the mission.
I don't need no Wiseman to fly.
Then prove it, Count.
Righto.
Strider 1, locked on target. Target destroyed.
Trigger has destroyed the target.
Vehicle confirmed destroyed.
Leave the enemy ships toward third. Hold it till enemy aircraft are in range.
One step ahead in the dogfight.
Bandit hit.
Enemy on your tail.
Locked on. This one's a goner. Bingo. Number is tougher than I thought.
Shut your trap and keep shooting.
Shit. Do it with a bang. Nice. Target eliminated.
Got tons of company above and below. Hostile behind me.
Missile. I have to evade.
Locked on. You're mine. You want a piece of me? You got it.
Hold tight. Just a little longer till the friendlies arrive.
Don't slow down. Being late is not an option. These guys are good. I'll put the one on the left and you put the one on the right. We're the last generation of fighter pilots. Show us just what we can do.
It's not every day you're in a battle like this.
Come on, try me. Nobody's got more combat experience than we do.
I'm hit! Ah! This is Digger 1. 3 and 4 head to 305. Instant attack. Digger 3, welcome. Forward, tail me. I'll let you ruin the plane.
Trigger. I'm seeing advanced stealth fighters.
SG-57s, highly capable planes. Stay on your toes if you engage them.
Strider Squadron. Enemy aircraft have begun their assault on the fleet. Secure our air superiority. I know that. We're outnumbered. Pushing back hard. Trigger shot down at SU-57.
Of course, a few sparks are to be expected. Fox 2.
Missile closing in on me.
Yes, EW aircraft and Drake Squadron are here.
I didn't think you'd get her so quickly. Enemy's got a lock.
The EW aircraft have strong ESM on board. They can improve your dogfighting capabilities by enhancing missile range, homing, and more. Fox 2.
I'll show you who's no UAV can copy.
I'm in your tent, Trigger. Drake Squadron, follow me. I'll show you how the pros do it. Enemy's got a lock.
Show us what you got.
Hostile behind you.
Rescue!
Strider 1, missile launched.
I've downed quite a few, but haven't even made a dent.
Shut up. You see Trigger complaining?
Well, he doesn't talk much, but fine. Here I go.
Help me!
Trigger, you see the ESM range displayed on your radar? Your capabilities will improve inside that area.
Come at me, bro.
I should have switched with Lanza.
I'm on his back.
Incoming missile! We're targeted!
Strider 1, missile launched. Target is down. Entering ESM range.
Friendly hit! Brzezinski!
Trigger splashed a hostile.
Good. The ESM's improving your aircraft's dogfighting capabilities.
So many partners to dance with.
Okay, I quit. Not counting their numbers anymore.
Yes! This is the air combat I've been waiting for! Y'all don't really care about the sub and just want a good fight, huh? Break their coordination! The clouds didn't put them off.
That would have been way too close if it wasn't for Trigger. Special delivery.
Strider 1, missile away.
Cover me!
Enemy has a lock. 2.
Strider 1 splashed to bed.
EW aircraft was hit from an enemy Typhoon.
Your eyes on 3 strike. You might learn a thing or two. Roger.
EW aircraft was hit. It's being attacked by an F-15E.
So many of them.
Multiple aircraft approaching this airspace. They're Harriers.
Any moves to attack our fleet must be stopped.
All right.
Wilco.
Look who we've got here. This planet I may be past our prime, but we're no pushovers. Yeah! Here we go, cowboys. Surround them.
Enemy's got a lock. Their ranks are thinning.
At last, the light at the end of the tunnel. Continue with your mission. I don't even have time for a snack on this operation.
You just wait. I'll get you a break in a second.
Thanks.
Hit on the enemy EW aircraft.
We're not fighting UAVs. It's just as hard on them as it is on us.
Don't let them get to Enchanter. Locked on bandit. Getting a real warm welcome here. SIRC, target enemy aircraft. No control, returning to base. Don't forget to tell the mechanics they seem to have a problem every time 3 strike shows
Move
up.
it down. Harrier destroyed. Nice work. Those fighters are after the fleet. Take care of the rest.
Are you sure? I'm sure. It's 3 strikes. Protect the landing ship at all costs. Shield it with your lives. Strider 1 dead for that.
Harrier 2s have all been destroyed.
Good job.
Great work.
These all training. Evacuate immediately. Lost the ship. It's the destroyer Kite.
Command duty officer. The approaching landing ship is to be considered hostile. Set it as your target.
Roger. Set primary target to hostile landing ship Puffin.
Our target is the captain of the Puffin, Robert Airy.
Captain.
You don't see it. Gunnery is about killing the people on board.
Detecting hostile barrage jamming. They brought EW aircraft. I'm displaying the jammed area on your radars.
The plane don't mean a thing, kid. Not without proper skills. You see the size of that sub? Why the hell was it not in action all this time?
My missile's not homing in properly.
When in range of enemy jammers, missile lock-on and homing capabilities are reduced.
This is gonna be trouble.
Target acquired. Trigger took down the enemy EW aircraft.
So, is this the meeting place for pilots replaced by UAVs? This is it. This is the battlefield I've been craving. Dodged. Break. Numbers alone won't win you dogfight. I'm hit. Look good. We passed the 3rd checkpoint. We're halfway there. From Puffin to all ships. Base formation.
Missile away.
Full speed ahead. Move in front of the landing ship Puffin. We're going to be their shield.
All aircraft be advised. Enemy strike fighters are on the approach. They're fullbacks. Definitely faster than the ones before.
They'll pose a serious threat. Take them down.
Righto. Trigger, let's get this done quick.
My weakness will have these all 3 strikes. Damn it, I can't stop reloading.
Flex 2. Strider 1. Bandit destroyed.
Enemy's got a lock.
Going up.
Sky up.
Be advised. Enemy aircraft nearing the landing ship.
That bird over there flies pretty well. Didn't think pilots of that caliber were still around.
Steady. Breaking out of Z-Wiz. AAW Auto.
Effects of friendly ESM are negated inside the enemy's jamming zones. Be careful.
No magic allowed, huh?
We're gonna make sure it doesn't come to that.
Z-Wiz failed. Incoming.
The landing ship is under attack. Keep the enemy away from our ships.
Hard port. We can't block the fleet's path. All personnel, abandon ship.
Look, another destroyer's been sunk.
That's it. Trigger splashed a fighter.
All enemy EW aircraft confirmed destroyed.
That's good news.
Got a visual on the target submarine. It really is neat to be able to see it from here.
Target eliminated. Go to work.
Looks like we'll have that beast captured in no time.
They'll be happy to see us. It's been 2 years at the bottom of the ocean. They wouldn't want to go back to that.
I see 3 strikes. I'll kill you.
All aircraft be advised. 2 bogies on the approach. Aircraft type SU-47.
Merkins. The ocean doesn't have many of those. Where'd they come from?
Hey, Rage, can I kill him now? I've waited long enough. Use the confusion and get on to 6. I can train
Prepare to engage. Don't hesitate.
Get
Missile away.
I'm screwing you up so bad.
Who are these guys?
They're neither Osean nor Illusion. They're just filthy bats.
Hostiles just popped out of nowhere.
It's an ECM, type of saturation decoy.
Visually scan for the source.
Trigger, that's a decoy. You need to check your target visually.
That one's fake. It's not the real bandit.
Wanted to kill him now.
Receiving support from ESM.
Damn, he dodged it!
Target hit.
He hit me, damn it! The bastard hit me!
Shit! Scream, we're pulling out.
God damn it! 3 strikes, I will have you! You will die!
What?
Hey, what are you doing? Am I hearing things?
No, I hear it too. Burns so fast. You won't even have time to piss your pants.
Hey, those filthy bats are on the run. Let them go.
That bitch was using OC's radio frequency. That's an encrypted military channel.
That's nothing to worry about now. Focus on the mission at hand.
I'm fighting.
Receiving support from ESM. Strutter 1, locked on target. Fox 2. Target shot down. Additional hostiles confirmed. We're detecting surface-to-ship weapons teams around the sub. Eliminate them.
Stay in formation.
Shaking off enemy lock.
Strutter 1, Fox 2.
Fire all guns. Nicely done. Ready. Fire all guns. Copy.
Break right now! From here, that submarine looks huge.
Target acquired. Entering ESM range. 3 minutes remaining.
Fire everything you've got. Don't even think about conserving ammo.
Fox 2. All ground targets destroyed.
This takes away the enemy surface-to-ship capabilities. Fine work, Trigger.
Strider 2. Fox 2.
Many of our fighters!
They're after me. I need cover.
Bandit in my sights. Another enemy aircraft approaching our ship. Why haven't they gone down yet? If we can destroy their landing ship, we can sink their planes along with it. Marked. Intercepting.
Missile away. Entering ESM range.
Locked on bandit.
Port side hit! Damage control!
This is bad. The damage is spreading.
A friendly shot down the SU-34 approaching the fleet.
We only one. Break away.
Captain, they're ready for takeoff,
2
sir.
minutes remaining.
Prepared to sacrifice their lives to carry the cargo.
Beautiful.
Captain,
Nice kill.
Minds are about to get snuffed out in senseless cruelty. How many must we sacrifice to put them to rest?
Captain, it's 3 strikes and his crew. They've tied down the enemy birds. Our men just might make it through.
the supercapacitor's charged.
Target
Wait.
acquired.
Target in sight.
Strutter 1,
Main gun,
Fox
bandit
2.
ready.
We got one. 3 strikes in a squadron are with us. Hostile has the watch, Strider 1.
They're not retreating. The submarine must be harder onto them.
On him.
Strutter 1, missile launched. 1 minute remaining.
Let the LRSSC take care of the enemy aircraft. Strider 1, got a bandit.
Malicord, do you copy? We cannot stop the approaching enemy landing ship. Scuttle the sub immediately.
Fools. As of now, this boat no longer belongs to the Erusian military.
What are you saying?
Don't you see?
Puffin, this is Longcaster. Enemy's resistance is dwindling and we've almost secured air superiority.
Puffin copies. Commencing capture operation.
The rest is all yours, Captain. Now I can finally have my sausage rolls.
That's the kind of food you eat up there?
Of course, anything other than finger food would get in the way of my duties.
That clearly wasn't what she meant.
Took longer than I expected. I'll be leaving now. You take command from here on.
Whew. Well done, pilot. Then slow ahead both engines.
Are you sure? From landing ship Puffin to all active units. Enemy submarine has started moving.
Commence firing.
Main guns commence fire.
Bearing 180, cruising at 5 knots. Movement on the deck. It's the aircraft.
What in the world?
What happened? Listen up. You need to take that bird down. Hurry!
Patch me in. Do you hear me? David North here. There's a possibility the cruise missile is a WMD.
Shit!
Hey, what about the submarine?
We've got to help our ship first.
Don't lose them. Shoot them down.
Shit!
Open vents. Fill all ballast tanks. Full speed ahead once we're underway.
Enemy submarine is going under.
Shit.
That monster will roam the oceans.
Trigger's caught up to them.
Scrap them, Trigger!
Heed my words.
20,000 meters until the aircraft exits the AO.
Coward! This boat has the means to end this hideous war in a definitive and elegant manner.
Bend it down!
Yeah!
There is no ship.
Target's destruction confirmed!
Seems he was down by 3 strikes.
The damn bastard ruined it.
Captain,
Don't you see?
he walked all over it with his dirty boots, over the crisp white sheets of my bed that I had just made.
Let's have him assist in the next plan. It'll make a fine sideshow for our scheme to